Hey YouTubers, we're under Grand Cherokee with the non-functional fuel pump. This is where power not coming, right here. Then it's not coming right here. Right here, not coming. Then not coming here. Here and all the way up there. I found the problem, so I ran the wire from there. This is the red wire. It comes here, insulated, and into the pump wire. This should do the trick. I'll bring it down and I'll test it, and I will update you on the results. Please subscribe. Plugged it, I ran a wire, cleared the code, and we're gonna start it. Thank you. And we're gonna start it. There you go, problem fixed. Thank you.